Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So, time I put this video up, it'll probably be Turkey Day for you, Thanksgiving Day for all of us. So happy Thanksgiving Day to everybody out there. And I want to thank everybody that has subscribed to the channel, all my subscribers. Yeah, I really appreciate that. So I'm almost rounding up to the 1K mark, and I really appreciate everybody that has tuned into the channel, been following along on some of these builds. I'm going to do a giveaway, and I'll give you more details on that probably next week in the video, and let you know what we're going to do with that. So, moving on. This is a railroad video this time, guys. It's kind of a mail call railroad video. So, funny story. I guess it's not really too funny. I guess it's just a story. There's last year, the company Rapido Trains out of Canada, they had a pre-buy on an Amtrak engine, and I thought, man, that's sweet looking. I want, and it was limited run, you know, specialty, all this stuff. And I thought, man, I wouldn't mind getting one of those. And I thought, cool, it's just a pre-buy. I just have to give a little bit of money now and pay for it when it comes in. And I figured 3-4 months down the road, because I've really never done a pre-buy on anything. And well, finding out, I think a lot of the holdup was when all our containers are sitting at dock over in the ports and nothing getting unloaded. That took some time. So I forgot even where I ordered this at. And I saw some videos online from Rapido company saying, hey, we got a new shipment in finally, da-da-da. And I thought, oh yeah, I forgot I ordered that. I mean, I actually forgot about it. I don't know, a week or so later, I get a letter in the mail saying, hey, this is so-and-so, you know, it says, I got that engine you pre-ordered. You still interested? You know, send me some cash and I'll send it your way. And I thought, no kidding. So long and behold, this package showed up in the mail. So I have not opened this yet. I'm kind of excited to open it. So this is still sealed. So I know what's inside. Well, hopefully. But I don't know it's how good a shape it's in, which hopefully I hope it's in excellent shape. So I'm going to take you over the bench and we're going to open this up together and we'll see what it looks like inside. So like I said, if I remember right, this should look pretty cool. So let's take this over the bench and let's get it opened up and see what we got in the box. Okay guys, let's pop this open and see what we got inside here. Grab myself a nice sharpened knife. Move my Coke out of the way, because tonight just seemed like a good night for a Coke and a smile, you know what I mean? Remember that commercial? Remember Eddie Murphy? Let's go that route. Alright, so it looks like we got two different boxes here. Yeah, I don't get too many mail call things, so. A box within a box. Ah, yes, we got ink pens and all kinds of goodies. Pretty nice package. So this is where I got it from. So if you guys have ever dealt with him or not, he is in Charlottesville, Virginia, at HO Hobbies. So thank you for that, Bill. And we got a pen. Always could use those out here because every pen I have gets lost. It's just the way it is. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Rapido's Trains. Box within a box. Love it. Obviously you guys can see what is in the box. This is the limited edition early day 1 black scheme. They run this just temporary until they could figure out what scheme they're going to paint all their stuff. I'm not sure which. Oh, opening the wrong side. Let's go this way. Oh, we got another box in a box? Is that what we got going on here? Is that what we got? Yes, sir. Check that out. So it comes in a nice wooden case. That's sharp. That looks pretty cool. Oh, I figured it's going to be that type of tape that is stuck to everything and you just can't peel it off without making a mess. Let's open up the chest and see what's inside. So we got our parts diagram. Jason Sharon's signature. Very cool. A lot of you people that's in the model railroad community, everybody knows Jason Sharon is, and Rapido trains. So Matt Donnelly is the branch communication manager for Amtrak. So we got here some more propaganda. Oh, we got Rapido stickers. So we got our parts list of the engine itself. There's a lot of goodies in that thing. And we got some Rapido decals. This must be a letter of some sort. Here we go. Sign up, sign up. It's for free. Oh yes, we got some decals. Very nice. Rapido makes a very cool transit bus. Yep, that's me. Very cool. We got our EMD operating manual for the E8. It tells us all our DCC functions. And this does come equipped with loc sound. So we'll get on to the main event here. Wow, this thing is heavy. We got little goodie bags here. Oh, that's very cool. Looks like we have, looks like mirrors, I'm guessing. Another pen. That's pretty cool. Very nice box. It's really cool that that's actually metal. It's got like it's raised, so it's not printed. It's actually like stamped. Alright, let's get down to the main event here. Yeah, that's very cool. This thing is like super heavy. I'm shocked at the weight. It's very detailed. Very nice looking. Got a full interior. Gotta be careful of the roof. There's a lot of goodies on there. Won't damage it. Very neat. Alright, well, let's put it on the track and we'll see what the sounds and lights look like and see what functions it has. So I'll go set that up and break out my NCE DCC pack, break it out of storage, and see if I remember how to use it. Please hold. Alright guys, so we got our little test layout here. Just a little test track. This is just a piece of my old layout from back in the day. I just save it for doing some testing and programming. So first thing, you put the E8 on the track. We have number boards that light up, and we have inspection lights for the trucks. Very nice, very nice. So we're using NCE power cab today. Just got her, yeah, we just got it kind of mocked up here, so nothing too crazy going on here. It's just enough to make it work. Like I say, I had all the stuff in the box. So yeah, so taking a look at this E8 from Rapido. Like I say, very nice detail on it. Really nice cab view inside there. Very cool looking. I see it does have a backup light, but is not directional. So if you're going from forward to reverse, that backup light will not come on unless you toggle it on manually with the functions. So let's do a startup on this. So we're going to go F8. Sounds pretty nice. And we'll do a shutdown, which is F8 again. Takes it a second. Very nice. So we're gonna go, let's check out the bell. A nice sounding bell, and it does have a few different bell sequences in there you can change in the program. So we'll shut that off, and we got a nice horn. And we have our headlight as on function 0, I believe. So we can toggle that bad boy on and off. And function 7 dims the light. But I tell you, it's almost very hard to tell in the camera if it's dimmed or not. There's dim. That's bright. But it's kind of hard to tell with the camera. So it does have cab lights. Let me see if I can get this turned on here. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so hold on. Bear with me for a second. I think it was 6. There we go. Very neat. It definitely looks like it could use a figure inside there. Not like driving the ghost train around. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So we have the lights above the number boards, and I believe that was function 10. So those are in white. Looks like they're white only. Those up, and we'll turn those cab lights off. Okay, we'll start this back up in a second. So I was going through the manual, and I was going through some of the function keys, and I was shocked there's music on here. That was kind of interesting. So, but before I show you that, let's do some startup and movement here, and let's see how it runs. So we'll fire it back up. Okay, so on our power cab, we're going to hit reverse. And we'll do speed step 1 and see how that takes us here. That's speed step 1. Give her a second and see if she likes it. Got a prime mover turned all the way up. There's speed step 1. It's got some pretty nice movement to it. And am I off the track? Are we derailed here? Is that what's going on? Yes, we are. It's an emergency stop here. Get the crew out, put her back on track here. How are we looking? Very good, very good. Okay, let's try that speed step 1 one more time. So we got our radiator fans coming on. That's speed step 1. And it moves on its own without going to 2. So that's speed step 2. There's 3, 4, 5, and of course we're out of track. That's a nice flange squeal. Sounds pretty good. Alright, let's bring it forward. So that's speed step 1 right here. See if she moves on her own. Speed step 2. 3, 4, 5. I guess speed step 6. I'm going to shut her down so it's out of track again. The momentum's turned up pretty high, so it's off. We'll see if she stops before she kisses the clips. Oh, just in time. Alright. We'll back her up just a little bit here. Very nice decoder. Got our fans coming back on. So let me shut the engine down here. So it's a shutdown sequence right now. Alright, so I noticed in the manual, so let me get this out here quick, and in the operating guide, kind of going through this before I videoed any of it. So we notice our CV functions. So when you get to function 20, you got radiator fans. You skip to function 25. And I thought, I wonder what's on function 21 and function 22. Well, it plays music for you. So let's go function 22. So we're going to go, let's see, I can do this here. 22. Mm-hmm. Good old Johnny Cash.
Monday morning rail. 15 cars and 15 restless
Interesting.
riders.
Good old Rapido. They always sneak some things in there and they don't tell you nothing in the manual about it. Just things you find on your own. It's kind of cool. So let's do function 21. So let's go shift 0. Oops. There we go. 21.
The old Union Pacific doesn't come by here much anymore.
And I think I found something on function 24. So I'll go shift 0, 4. Yeah. Not sure what we got going on there. So we got our flange or our coupler. Shut that back off. Got our Doppler horn. That sounds really cool. So your Doppler horns as if the train's coming towards you and going by, like at a crossing. And it gets pretty loud. And I know Rapido usually takes recordings from the real deal, so it's also always very cool. So I can also turn the inspection light off, which is function 18. So 1, 8. So I should be able to turn that light off. Yep. So yeah, very cool, very cool. Number boards, I can shut those off with function 19. So number 9, should shut them lights off. There we go. And I think my headlight is still on. Yeah, so like I say, pretty neat setup here. It's pretty quiet with no sound on it. See if we can get it to go forward here. Get a little engine, little motor whine to it at first. Like I said, this is not broken. But man, the drivers are very quiet. It's just the motor kind of crying a little bit. So we're going to reverse. You can hear that motor humming a little bit. But drivetrain gear-wise, super quiet. Yeah. So I do not have anything to do a pull test with or anything like that, but I do know this thing is very heavy. It's actually surprisingly heavy. I mean, it's I have some Intermountain Gevos up there, and it almost feels like the weight of 2 of those. And those I always thought were pretty heavy engines. So this thing's got some pretty impressive weight to it. So I'd be really curious on how many passenger cars you could pull with this thing. It's got some very impressive weight to it. I'd have to look and see exactly how much there is, but like I say, it's pretty cool. So other than that, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up, and I appreciate you guys checking out the channel and following along with the unboxing of this special edition Amtrak from Rapido. And like I say, it comes in this beautiful wooden box. Pretty cool. It'll give you lots of goodies with it, and just a neat engine all the way around. Like I say, it's their special first edition paint scheme in the black with the pointless arrow wrapped around. Just a cool look. I really like the looks of it. So like I said, once again, appreciate you tuning in, and we will see you the next time around. You guys have a good one.